Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. From a long time, I wanted a space dedicated for my office at my home, and I'm so glad I could finally have that. I think by now, in this lockdown period, we all have understood the importance of an home office. Being able to work under the comfort of your home is such a bliss. So today here in Design Diary by Isha, we will be discussing the importance of a home office, and also I will show you my home office in detail which I have recently designed. So do consider subscribing because we discuss everything here about interior designing and lifestyle. तो अब हम बात करते हैं मेरे होम ऑफिस के बारे में जो मैंने अपनी नीड्स एंड रिक्वायरमेंट्स के हिसाब से प्लान किया है. Without wasting any time, let's begin with the home office tour. Looking at the design part, this is the layout I planned. I wanted it to look completely Indian, in fact with a touch of vintage vibe. So you can see I have a very rich wooden veneer with the brass handles. This small highlighted tile, in fact a ceramic tile, I liked it during one of my site purchases, so I used it here. These are the matching knobs I got it for this. This also shows how you can use different kind of material when making furniture. Now I will show you how I have segregated this space. टॉप शेल्फ पे मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा स्टेशनरी रखी हुई है. इसमें 3 ग्लास शेल्फ क्रिएट किए हैं which helps me to segregate stationaries and catalogs. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं स्टिकीज से मैंने स्पेस डेजिग्नेट की हुई है ताकि मुझे सामान ढूंढने में आसानी हो. सबसे नीचे मैंने प्रिंटिंग पेपर्स एंड फोल्डर्स रखे हुए हैं क्योंकि मुझे उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. Now let's see the drawers. This one is dedicated to my vlogs. I have all my equipments in this drawer like my tripod, microphone, adapters, etc. Now comes the stationery drawer. Have used some organizers to divide the things and keep it organized. First comes the pencils and the erasers since I draw a lot, then the color sketches and highlighters, and then some other office accessories. This is the overhead. I keep my laptop bags and office bags over here. You can also see my giant college portfolio right at the back here. This is another compartment, same as I have shown you before. Here I have kept some interior design reference books, some normal reading books, and some magazines. And these are some old wooden boxes which I really love. I got them from a trip to Delhi. I use them to keep some fabric samples which I use often. Also you can see I use mugs to keep some extra writing stuff in the top shelf, apparently to keep away from my daughter. Guys, this is my third drawer, which is a utility drawer. Here I keep my hard drives, card holders, calculator, some change and other office required stuff. This is the last drawer. मेरा home office centrally placed है घर पे, तो यहाँ मैंने miscellaneous चीज़ें रखी हुई हैं like medicines, keys and all. These are the lower cabinets. यहाँ मैंने कुछ बड़े फोल्डर्स रखे हुए हैं जो हम इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर्स को रेगुलरली लगते हैं जैसे कि लैमिनेट्स, वॉलपेपर्स एंड वीनियर्स की. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बुक आई हैव एट द मोमेंट. इट्स माई 2020 प्लानर. हियर ओनली आई ऑर्गेनाइज ऑल माई थॉट्स एंड ऑल माई टू डू लिस्ट. आई लाइक टू हैव इट हैंडी. This is my detox water jar that keeps me hydrated. One small succulent for freshness. This beautiful small Buddha piece and some stationery. Here comes my laptop, then this cute little antique box. I have my thumb drives and pins over here. I am really obsessed with the motivational quotes. It really helps me keep going. so I like to have them wherever possible. She is the little monster, my daughter, just to bring smile on my face. I always make it a point that I have a photo around me even if I work. So guys, as you can see, this is my work desk and this is perfect for me. Talking design wise, one of the main feature we have here is the pull-out desk, because many a times my work requires to have visitors, so that's very comfortable for me. I just have to pull the table out and keep it right at the center. ये देखिए, अगर विजिटर्स हों तब भी यहाँ कंप्लीट ऑफिस के जैसे वर्क हो सकता है. And when I need some free space for my house, I just have to push it back and it's like it's never existed. Also, I have this ergonomic chair so that I can work for longer hours. It's very comfortable and helps me keep my back straight. The best part about this space is the big window. It gives me abundance of light and always keeps this area well ventilated. It's like I'm sitting right at the center of the greenery. So I guess I've shared all the details of my home office. I've tried to keep everything minimal and tried to keep everything which I require very handy. Hope this will help you to maintain and organize your workplace and inspire you to have one. Do let me know how you find this, and if you have any queries, you can comment in here or on my Instagram handle.